In today's video, I'm going to teach you generate CSS fast with Grok AI, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to clean, ready-to-use CSS with just a few prompts. First, open Grok in your web browser or launch the Grok app, then log into your account. Use a modern, up-to-date browser for the best experience. Logging in ensures your chats are saved so you can revisit and refine your designs later without losing progress. Next, start a new chat. Click New Chat to create a fresh conversation dedicated to your CSS request. A clean thread helps Grok stay focused on your design goals and avoids clutter from previous topics. Now, describe your CSS requirement clearly. Type exactly what you want Grok to generate in CSS. You can say things like, create CSS for a responsive navigation bar with hover effects. Style a form with rounded input fields and a submit button. Or, design a modern card layout with shadows and spacing. The more specific you are, the better the result. Mention your preferred colors, fonts, spacing, and layout structure. If you want hover effects or subtle animations, say so. And be sure to call out responsiveness needs, like how it should look on mobile versus desktop. When you're ready, press enter to submit your request. Grok will generate the CSS code in a formatted code block that's easy to read and copy. By the way, if you need quick access to Grok, I've placed the official website link and a download link if you prefer the app right at the top of the description so you can open it directly. From here, refine the CSS as needed. Ask Grok to add animations or transitions for smoother interactions, adjust spacing and alignment to match your layout, or combine the CSS with your HTML so you can see how everything fits together. You can also request a more modern or minimalist look, or ask for alternative color palettes to compare styles. Don't hesitate to iterate. Small tweaks can dramatically improve the final design. Once you're satisfied, click inside the code block and copy the generated CSS for use in your project. Paste it into your style sheet or component, and you're ready to test it in your environment. If anything looks off, jump back into the same chat and ask Grok to fine-tune the details. That's how you generate CSS with Grok AI step by step. Thanks for watching.